We are back for day 3 of our cut flower experiment. Check out this guy. What did you think of this one on day 2? I was shocked to see how bad it looked. Just to recap, here are the methods that we are attempting in alphabetical order because I don't want to give anything away. So we've got aspirin, then the copper pennies, flower food, overnight refrigeration, Sprite, and then the sugar vinegar water. So let me know in the comments which one of these you think is going to be the last one standing and which one of these you think is the absolute worst method. And then remember to check back tomorrow for day 4. And I hope today you will remember to go the second mile for someone in your life and with your resources. Thanks for watching.